So why do most side income ideas not work for career moms? And what's actually different about the one that I'm about to share with you? By the end of this video, you'll see why MLMs and most other online business models don't provide a way for the busy career mom to earn an extra income and get back their time and choose how they want to live their lives. The majority of moms who try to build a second income eventually end up in one of two places. An MLM that takes them a lot more time and usually a larger investment, or an online business model that's too complicated to fit around their busy lifestyles. Let's review both of them, and once you understand them better, you'll know exactly what to look for instead. And I'll help you with that. If you're just finding this series, start with video 1, which is an introduction to my series on why career moms in their 50s feel stuck. I felt this way for many years, and I wanted to get back my time with my family, so I started looking online. Many of the MLM businesses are the multi-level marketing. They looked attractive for the same reasons that any business will, because it gave me flexibility, I became my own boss, and you were able to earn based on how hard you worked, or so I thought. The problem for me was the way that it was structured. Most MLM models depend on chasing your customer to try and sell your product. In the end, they usually required a large investment to start, and I found that out the hard way. Commission percentage, it depended on the product sales alone and rarely added up to very much of an income at the beginning, because it usually takes a lot of time and effort to reach the higher percentage from your sales only after you've recruited several customers under you, and you're encouraged to sell to friends and family, and you feel like you're always, no matter what relationship you have with somebody, that they're a potential customer. And that wasn't the type of business that I was interested in and wanted to run. I didn't want to be salesy. Within our model that I do now, you never have to chase the customer if you don't want to. We share our solution to a common problem that we have, and the customer actually comes looking for you. For me, that was a mom who wanted to spend more time with her family, make more memories to look back on, and less time away at work, and without having to suffer financially for that. Once I found that answer, it simply allows me to share that solution in my stories to other moms in my content online, and those who resonate with my content come looking for me instead of me looking for them. So because of that, you never hear the word no. It's a no rejection business. I feel like I'm not selling, rather I'm providing a solution to a problem that we both share. The other category of businesses that most people explore is generally the online businesses like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and there are many others. But you're usually building your audience from scratch in most cases. And again, you're receiving a smaller percentage of the overall profit from a sale. It's around 25%. So you have to sell 4 times as many of a product to earn the same profit. I've tried MLMs in the past, and I've invested more money and time than I wanted to. And I did get some results, and they do work eventually. And our business even promotes affiliate marketing, but only once we're up and running as a secondary additional income stream, not as a main profit. For a career mom who's busy in her 50s with a full schedule, they usually require a lot of time and energy before seeing any results. Many times there's no clear system. There's no real support and too much guesswork. Within our business, we have a supportive community. We have daily mentorship, and we have step-by-step systems which eliminates any of the guesswork. So after understanding what consistently doesn't work, what does work becomes much more clearer. Like having a proven product that you know people already want, because you see the results of others that are in the business. You have a system that's mostly built that you don't have to reinvent. You have real support from the founder, daily, and a community of 60,000 members so that you're not alone. And you have an income structure where the profit from your sales are 100% yours. There's no splitting with anybody else above you. You have the flexibility to work in the pockets of your day without having to restructure your entire schedule. You can do this around your busy day. Those are some of the features of our business model. The structure within our business follows what's known as the master resale rights. Think of it the same way as a phone company works. They didn't design the iPhone, but when they sell one, they keep the full profit from that sale. And that's exactly how this works. You sell a digital product, and 100% of the profit comes directly to you. Within our business, that's possible because the business owner earns the website setup fee of $39 or $69 depending on the program that you purchase. no downline to share the profits with. And that's a game changer with this business. There's no monthly quotas. There's no monthly fees. There's no recruiting. You simply share your solution that you found and your story, and they come looking for you. You need a model that works with the life that you have and that you can do in the free pockets of your day. Proven products, a built system, weekly tech support, a community with people of various levels of experience to help support each other. And we even have the option of a done-for-you setup if technology really isn't your thing. I'm not techie, but I was still able to set mine up in just 2 days. And remember, there's always a weekly tech Zoom available to help you. One of my favorite features of this business model is that they have various entry points of investments. And what I mean by that is that you can start to invest in this business where your situation financially allows you. You can start as low as $100 and up to high as $1,400. And that the amount you invest reflects the number of products that you receive for resale. So this business truly is for anybody that has a desire to change their situation for the better. And that's a feature that you rarely see in starting a business, having those various investment levels. The highest investment is actually less than the cost of the phone that you're watching me on right now. And you can create a reoccurring income that can possibly change your life. Seeing the proof and hearing testimonies from other members is always a must when choosing a business. Bridget woke up with a $900 sale and Paula made $4,100 this month. You can view all the new wins in our community daily inside our business model. So to recap, MLMs put the focus on recruiting and earning is based on your downline and how many you brought into your business. Most other online models build from zero and have little supports. And the commissions are usually a smaller percentage of the total profit. Many of them work, but they take longer to earn a greater income. Our model focuses on the system that's already been proven that gives you 100% of the income it generates. And you're actually in profit mode after only one sale. And with our most popular model, which is $1,400, you only need 6 customers a month to earn a 6-figure income annually. That's amazing. That's the difference. In video 3, I'm going to show you what this business actually looks like on a regular day when it's put into practice, how it can fit into a schedule that's already full, and what the work actually involves. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. If my next video isn't showing here yet, click the links in the description below for my free guide on what building a business online is actually about, or the Freedom Formula Blueprint if you're ready to learn more about our business model. And see if this is something for you. The programs, how you earn, the 100% profit, how it works, everything is there to start your business. Thanks for listening.